Welcome back to another Algebra 1 video. In this video, we're going to turn sentences into equations and then solve those equations to get some unknowns. As we proceed, the questions will be harder and harder. Let's start with the first problem. In this problem, it is said that the sum of three consecutive numbers is 72. What are the numbers? So imagine we have three consecutive numbers. This is the first number, this is the second one, and this is the last one, and the sum of these three numbers is 72. So let's call the first one of these three numbers x. Then the next number should be x plus 1, because the next consecutive number is larger than the previous one by 1 unit. And the third one should be x plus 2. Why? Because these should be larger than this number by 1 unit. So x plus 1, which is x plus 2. So now we have an equation. It is a linear equation, an equation that you know how to solve. And let's do it now. So we have 1x here, another one here, and another one here. In total, we have 3x. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And on the right hand side, we have 72. Now we can just move these one to the right hand side. It can become negative, and in the end we have 3x equals to 72 minus 3, and 72 minus 3 is 69. Then 3x should be 69, and x is 69 over 3. Why? Because we need to isolate the unknown by dividing it by 3. So 69 divided by 3 is 23. Now the first number is 23, the second number should be 25, and the last one should be 24, and the last one should be 25. If you add these three numbers, you get 72. Let's go to the next question. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 90. What are the numbers? The numbers are even, but we have the first number here, the second one here, and the last one here, and the result should be 90. The addition of these three numbers, but these numbers should be even numbers. Again, we can call the first one x, an unknown. The second number should be x plus 2, not x plus 1. Why? Imagine the first number is 2. If you add 1 by 2, you get 3, not 4. 3 is an odd number, not an even number. So the next number should be 2 plus 2, which is 4. And if you add 4 plus 2, you have 6, which is an even number. And the third number should be x plus 2, the previous one, plus 2, which is x plus 4. We have now another linear equation. Easy to solve. You can drop your answer in the comments. I'll let you do it by yourself. It is fairly easy, and I believe in you. Let's go to the next problem. Again, it is said that the sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 81. What are the numbers? It is easy now. The number 1, number 2, and number 3, they should be 81. Imagine again, the first number is x, and again, these should be x plus 2, and this should be x plus 4. How? Why? Because imagine the first number is 9. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. Another odd number. If you just add 1 and 9 together, you get 10, which is an even number. So your step should be 2 and 2 and 2. Again, this is a very, very simple linear equation, and I'll let you to do it by yourself. And drop your answer in the comments. The fourth problem asks us this: 3 more than twice a number is 17. what is the number? 3 more than twice a number. So twice a number, let's say that our number is x. Twice is 2x. And 3 more than these, 2x plus 3. And the result should be 17. And here we have another linear equation which is easy to solve. I'm going to do it. 2x is 17 minus 3. Then 2x is 14. And we get x is 7. It is really easy to solve. Let's go to the next question. It says that 3 more than twice. Oh, we solved it. Okay, let's go to the next one. 5 less than 4 times the number is 27. Find the number. Again, let's say that our number is x. 5 less than 4 times our number. 4 times of our number, but 5 less than that. Minus 5, and the result is 27. Alright, we have another linear equation. I guess we have enough linear equations. But we shall keep on because converting these sentences to equations is it's useful. It's useful to go through these kind of questions and form the linear equation. The solving of the linear equation is the easiest part, and the most important part is to converting the sentences to equations. Next question. 5 years ago, Sam's age was half of what it is now. 5 years ago, Sam's age was half of what it is now. How old is Sam today? Let's say Sam's age today is X. And 5 years ago, so X minus 5, you get the age of the Sam's age 5 years. This is Sam's age 5 years ago was equal. Here was mean equal. Half of what it is now. Okay. What is the Sam's age now? It was X. So it should be X over 2. Why? Let's go through it again. 5 years ago, this is the Sam's age today, and half of it is X over 2. So 5 years ago, the Sam's age 5 years ago was half of what it is now. Half of X, half of the age now. How old is Sam today? Again, we have a linear equation. I'm going to solve it by doing this. X minus X over 2 is 5. So 1x and half of x, we can add them together like this. 1 minus 1 over 2, because half is 1 over 2. We get 2. 2 minus 1, you get 1 over 2. It is like you have something in total and you have half of it, which is something like this. And if you subtract these two, you get what? Imagine that you just remove this part. You end up with half of the original thing that you had. All right? Now, we have x over 2 is 5. And I told you in the previous videos that you can write it like this. X over 2 is 5 over 1. And multiply these guys together. So x is 2 times 5. And the Sam age day is 10. Next and last question, I suppose. Or we have another question. No. Next and last question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 50. The length is 5 more than the width. Find the dimensions. So we have a rectangle. And imagine the length is, we call the length x. And the length should be 5 more than the width. okay? Or, it is okay to call the length x, but as you practice, you understand what is the easiest way to solve a problem. Now I figure it out. It was not a mistake, but it is easier to call the width x. And then the length is x over plus 5, because this should be 5 more than this. Okay? And we want to find the dimensions, but we know that the perimeter of this rectangle is 15. What is the perimeter? The perimeter is the sum of the length of the sides of something. So this side plus this side plus this side and plus this side should be 15. Again, this is x plus 5 and this is x. So let's start from this guy. I see an x here. Let's go to the next one, plus x plus 5, because this is x plus 5. This one, plus x. And now the final one, x plus 5. And the total should be 50. Now, we have 1x, 2x, 3, and 4x there. And 5 and 5 make 10. And on the right-hand side, we have 15. This goes to the right-hand side and become negative. 4x is 15 minus 10. Then 4x is 40, and x should be 10. All right? So this is 10, this side is 10, and this side is 15. All right, that was all for today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and drop your answers and questions in the comment, and subscribe for more fun and challenging daily math.